Join me as I dive into the challenge of predicting whether everyone will be using Bitcoin by 2025. Can I spot the trends and make the right calls? Will Bitcoin become the new standard in the world of finance? With its popularity and adoption growing exponentially, it's no surprise that many experts believe that everyone will be using Bitcoin by 2025. But what does this mean for the future of money and the global economy? In this video, we'll explore the possibilities and implications of a world where Bitcoin is the norm. From the benefits of decentralized currency to the potential risks and challenges, we'll dive into the details and examine the likelihood of Bitcoin becoming a mainstream phenomenon. So will everyone really be using Bitcoin by 2025? Watch to find out. Will Bitcoin be the new standard in finance? Experts say everyone will be using Bitcoin by 2025. Sounds wild, right? Well, let's break it down, because this could change how we all think about money. Today, we'll explore the possibilities, benefits, risks, and wild predictions surrounding Bitcoin's future as a currency everyone uses. You don't want to miss what we have at the end of the video. Oh, and if you like videos that help you get ahead of trends, hit that subscribe button. Don't just watch. Join the community of future billionaires. Why Bitcoin? Okay. First off, why Bitcoin? Why not some other form of digital cash? Bitcoin's whole deal is that it's decentralized. It's like the punk rock of money. No one controls it. Not the government, not banks. It's all managed on a network of computers spread across the world. Some call it the people's currency. But will it actually live up to that title? Now, let's bust a few myths here. You might think Bitcoin is just for tech nerds, crypto geeks, or maybe your cousin who won't stop talking about his portfolio. But Bitcoin is actually for anyone looking to control their financial future. Yeah, Bitcoin can be a bit like a roller coaster. Its value jumps up and down. But for those who buckle in for the ride, it's proven to be rewarding. Long-term hodlers, yeah, we say hodlers in crypto, have seen some serious growth. What about the government? The big question, what about the government? Will they crack down on Bitcoin, or will they give it the green light? Here's the thing. Governments are noticing Bitcoin. Some people see that as a bad thing, but it's actually a step in the right direction. The more countries put clear regulations in place, the more confidence people will have to invest. Imagine your grandma buying Bitcoin because she finally knows it's safe. Well, safer. Public perception is changing, and then there's the public. I know some people out there still think Bitcoin is monopoly money, a fad for tech bros or something. But millions of people use Bitcoin every day. It's catching on, and businesses are starting to get on board. If you can buy a coffee with Bitcoin, it's only a matter of time before everyone else catches on. Imagine the day your mum texts you, asking how to download Bitcoin. That day is coming, my friends. And let's be real, if Starbucks starts taking Bitcoin, it's game over for the dollar. The line for Bitcoin frappies will be out the door, the quiet revolution. Behind the scenes, Bitcoin adoption is moving faster than you'd think. Institutional investors, basically the folks with the big bucks, are using Bitcoin as a hedge against inflation and market volatility. And let's not forget about the Lightning Network, which speeds up transactions like a Bitcoin superhighway, making it cheaper and easier to use. Picture Bitcoin on steroids. That's what's happening. Enter DeFi. One of the coolest trends right now is decentralized finance, or DeFi for short. With DeFi, people can lend, borrow, and trade all without a bank. Imagine if your bank account didn't need a bank. That's what DeFi is doing for people, and it's all running on the blockchain. The financial industry may never look the same. CBDCs versus Bitcoin. Now, there's a twist. Central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs. These are digital dollars, euros, or yen controlled by governments. They're not really Bitcoin, but they're proof that governments see the value of digital currency. In a world of digital dollars, Bitcoin might just be the most valuable thing left that's free of government control. Think of it like this. CBDCs are like your dad's Facebook account. It's a little cringy, but he's trying. And Bitcoin? Bitcoin is your cool indie friend who's been around before it was trendy. Will everyone use Bitcoin by 2025? All these trends are pointing to one thing. Bitcoin is becoming more mainstream every day. But does that mean everyone will be using it by 2025? Maybe not everyone, but I think it'll be so common that even non-tech savvy folks will be considering it. The technology's getting easier, the adoption rate is speeding up, and every year more people start to see the benefits. By the way, if all this Bitcoin talk has you interested, there's an easy way to get started. I use Robinhood. It's beginner-friendly, and you can get started with just a few dollars. I've got a link in the description below that gives you a little bonus stock when you sign up. It's a good way to dip your toes in, no pressure. So will Bitcoin really be everyone's currency by 2025? We'll see. But the trends are all there. We've got institutional interest, regulatory development, public awareness, and even the technology to back it up. Bitcoin has gone from the fringes to the front pages, and it's only going to get bigger. Thanks for watching. If you're excited about where Bitcoin and digital finance are headed, make sure you subscribe for more content on crypto, finance, and future trends. Now that you have watched for the end, I have some extra information for you. Also, I am not here to tell you what to buy, hold, or sell, just how to get into Bitcoin if you are interested. Now let's talk about it, Bitcoin investing. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to sharpen your strategy, this guide will help you start investing in Bitcoin and stay on top of the latest trends and news. What is Bitcoin and why should you invest? First off, what exactly is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency that operates without a central bank. It's known as digital gold because, like gold, it's scarce and has become a store of value for many investors. Over the years, it has shown massive growth potential, making it an attractive investment for those looking to diversify or hedge against inflation. How to invest in Bitcoin? Now, let's talk about the basics of investing in Bitcoin. Here are a few ways you can get started. 1. Use a reputable exchange. Start by choosing a secure exchange like Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken. Make sure to set up two-factor authentication to secure your account. 2. Set a budget. Only invest what you're comfortable losing, as Bitcoin can be highly volatile. A good rule of thumb is to start small and gradually increase your investment if you feel comfortable. 3. Consider a cold wallet for storage. If you're investing a significant amount, a cold wallet, like a hardware wallet, keeps your assets secure offline, reducing the risk of hacking. 4. Practice dollar cost averaging, DCA. Rather than investing a lump sum, consider buying Bitcoin regularly over time to average out your purchase cost. This can be helpful in managing the effects of price volatility. Staying updated with Bitcoin news. With Bitcoin, staying up to date is key. Here are some of the best ways to keep yourself informed. 1. Crypto news websites. Websites like CoinDesk, Cointelegraph, and CryptoSlate cover daily updates, expert analysis, and trends in the crypto world. 2. Mobile apps for real-time news. Apps like Crypto News, Binance, and Blockfolio provide real-time news and alerts that keep you updated with price changes, regulatory news, and market trends. 3. Social media channels. Twitter and Reddit can be invaluable sources, especially for community insights. Follow influencers, analysts, and communities like r/Bitcoin and r/Cryptocurrency. 4. Google Alerts. You can also set up Google Alerts for terms like Bitcoin price, Bitcoin news, or BTC regulation. That way, you'll get an email notification whenever there's news on these topics. Risks to consider. Bitcoin can be exciting, but let's not forget the risks. Its price can fluctuate wildly, and regulatory changes can impact its value. Always research thoroughly, keep a balanced portfolio, and avoid making impulsive decisions based on fear or hype. And there you have it. Now you know how to invest in Bitcoin and stay up to date with the latest trends and news. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to NextGen Wealth Tips, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and happy investing, and good luck.